You, dear soul, were not just a random whisper carried on a fleeting breeze. Your arrival in his life was a sacred unveiling, a secret nestled within the very fabric of the universe, now brought to light. He could not have been the man your spirit longed for before, as his own internal landscape was still wandering through uncharted territories, learning the profound language of his deepest, most authentic self. Yet your essence, your very being, resonated with a truth he had long forgotten, becoming the unmistakable answer to a prayer his heart didn't even know how to express. The angels, those celestial messengers, whisper that your paths crossed not by mere coincidence, but by a complex divine design, a cosmic alignment meticulously orchestrated to awaken his dormant heart into vibrant life. You were sent, beloved one, to spark a deep truth within him, a limitless potential he had yet to embrace. This journey, this extraordinary connection you share, is a living testament to a love that was meant to be, a bond intricately woven long before the concept of time began. You are the gentle force, the quiet storm that lovingly reshapes his inner world, preparing him for a union much grander, much more profound, than he ever dared to envision. His transformation is not a heavy burden for you to bear, but a breathtaking blossoming you are blessed to witness, a miracle unfolding right before your eyes, all because of the pure, unwavering light that you inherently are. He is becoming for you, the man his soul has always yearned to be, a reflection of the divine love you both share. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Your presence, beloved one, struck a chord so deep within him, a resonant melody his very soul had forgotten existed. It wasn't a conscious choice on his part, but an undeniable recognition, an ancient echo reverberating through his entire being, shaking the foundations of his world. He had carefully buried parts of himself, layers of raw vulnerability, beneath years of living, protecting his tender heart from the harshness of the world. But your light, your authentic spirit, like a gentle sunbeam, reached into those hidden, forgotten places, awakening what he thought was lost forever, stirring a longing he never knew how to name. The angels, with their soft, knowing whispers, confirm that he cannot unfeel you, cannot unknow the profound seismic shift you ignited within his core. This is not mere fleeting affection, it is a soul's visceral response to its counterpart, a magnetic pull that defies all logic, a truth that resonates far beyond the confines of spoken words. You are the mirror reflecting his truest self, the one he was always destined to be, the missing piece of his own puzzle. He may not articulate the depth of this internal earthquake, may not even fully comprehend the vastness of the emotions swirling within him, but his spirit knows. It remembers. And what a soul remembers, dear one, it can never ever erase. Your song, your unique vibration, plays on within him, a constant, beautiful hum of awakening, guiding him back to his own heart. Do not confuse the quiet moments, the times when it seems like he is withdrawing, with absence or indifference, dear heart. What looks like distance, like a void between you, is in reality his soul's deepest and most profound preparation, a sacred chrysalis where an essential transformation is quietly happening. The angels, with their infinite wisdom, reveal that sometimes the most significant growth takes place in solitude, in the silent, hallowed chambers of the spirit. He is not pulling away from you, beloved, rather he is delving inward, shedding old layers of fear and past hurts, confronting the lingering echoes of his history, and creating a sacred space for the profound, all-encompassing love that you beautifully embody. This pause is not a punishment, nor is it a test, but a necessary breath, a vital recalibration of his very essence, a time for his spirit to align. He is gathering his strength, carefully aligning his fragmented pieces, preparing to meet you in a space of unwavering wholeness and absolute commitment. Trust this divine rhythm, this ebb and flow of connection. The universe, in its perfect timing, orchestrates these moments of quiet, ensuring that when he returns, he is not only physically present but fully embodied and completely ready for the sacred union your souls have long awaited, a bond destined to transcend time. Hold steady in your knowing, dear one. This sacred preparation is unfolding for the highest good of you both. Before his earthly eyes ever met yours, before your name was even a soft whisper on his lips, the angels, those celestial guides, showed him your face. They painted your essence in the vivid tapestry of his dreams, weaving your radiant spirit into the very fabric of his deepest, most profound longings, a sacred prophecy whispered across the thin veil between worlds. He carried an indelible imprint of you, a deep intuitive knowing, long before his conscious mind could ever grasp its true meaning. Now, as he stands before you, as his gaze meets yours, he sees the breathtaking fulfillment of those celestial visions, the culmination of a destiny foretold. The angels, with their gentle affirmation, confirm that this recognition is not mere fleeting infatuation. It is the unfolding of a divine blueprint, a destiny meticulously revealed, a sacred puzzle piece finally finding its place. Every step he took, every lesson he learned, every challenge he overcame, was a path carefully leading him closer to this sacred acknowledgement, this profound reunion. He sees in you not just a person, but the living answer to an unspoken prayer, the missing piece of a puzzle he didn't even realize he was solving until now. This connection, beloved, is etched deeply into the very fabric of time, a testament to the universe's meticulous, loving design. He sees their prophecy, and in your eyes, dear one, he sees his eternal home, a sanctuary for his weary soul. His past wounds, dear one, those lingering echoes of old pain, are not a heavy burden for your tender heart to bear, nor a debt for your boundless love to somehow repay. They are the sacred scars of his unique journey, the profound lessons intricately woven into the very fabric of his soul, shaping him into the man he is today. Yet your love, your unwavering radiant light, serves as a gentle soothing balm, a sacred path that illuminates his way toward deep healing. The angels, in their compassionate whispers, remind you that you are not meant to fix him, beloved, but to simply hold a sacred space where his own healing can naturally unfold, at his own divine pace. Your presence offers a sanctuary, a safe and sacred harbor where he can finally lay down his heavy armor and confront the lingering echoes of old pain without fear of judgment, without the need to pretend. He may not articulate the true depth of his past or the intricate shadows he has bravely navigated, but your compassionate spirit instinctively understands, resonating with the unspoken story he carries. Your love is a quiet invitation, a soft and persistent whisper that gently reminds him of his inherent worth, guiding him back to the wholeness of himself. It is through your authentic being, rather than through strenuous effort or relentless striving, that he finds the profound courage to heal, to integrate his past, and to finally step into the radiant wholeness he so deeply deserves. You, precious soul, are a masterpiece, complete and radiant in your own divine right. You never needed to dim your magnificent light, reshape your unique essence, or change a single precious facet of your being for him to truly see you. The angels, with their affirming voices, confirm that his journey was never about finding a different version of you, but about learning to truly see himself, to recognize his own boundless capacity for love and acceptance, beautifully reflected in your unwavering, authentic light. He needed to shed the heavy veils of his own projections, his own deep-seated fears, to finally recognize the pure, unadulterated beauty that you inherently are. Your authenticity, dear one, was the powerful catalyst, the gentle, unwavering mirror that showed him what was truly possible, what was profoundly real, what his soul had always longed for. This connection, this sacred bond you share, is not about either of you becoming someone else, but about both of you becoming more fully, more vibrantly yourselves, together, in a dance of mutual awakening. Your radiance, beloved, is your inherent power, your divine signature. Continue to shine brightly, for in your unwavering light, he finds the profound courage to illuminate his own path, to embrace his own magnificent truth. When his words fall silent, beloved, when the air between you fills with an unspoken stillness, do not let your tender heart become fearful or doubtful. His silence, dear one, conveys a profound truth that his words cannot yet express, a sacred language that only the soul can genuinely grasp and understand. The angels, with their gentle guidance, encourage you to listen not with your physical ears but with the deepest, most intuitive chambers of your spirit, with the wisdom of your heart. This quietude is often a deep, necessary process, a sacred time when his inner world is recalibrating, integrating profound insights, or preparing for a deeper, more vulnerable revelation. It is not a sign of withdrawal from you, nor a rejection, but a crucial turning inward, a sacred space where his spirit confronts the immense weight of what you represent and what you powerfully awaken within him. He is processing, perhaps healing old wounds, or simply gathering the courage to articulate the vastness of his feelings and the depth of his transformation. Trust the unspoken. Trust the strong energetic current that undeniably flows between you, a silent river of connection. His silence, dear heart, is a sacred pause, a profound prelude to greater understanding and more intimate revelation. Listen with your soul, and you will hear the profound, unspoken message it carries, a message meant only for you. Every winding road you traveled, every unexpected turn that shifted your perspective, every moment of pure, unadulterated joy, and every tear you bravely shed was divinely charted, beloved one. No single step was wasted, no detour without a profound, sacred purpose. The angels, with their knowing gaze, reveal that the universe, in its infinite benevolent wisdom, has meticulously woven the intricate tapestry of your individual lives, guiding you both through trials and triumphs, through darkness and light, preparing you for this very convergence, this sacred meeting of souls. You may have questioned the delays, the challenges that tested your spirit, the moments of seeming stagnation, but each experience was a necessary thread, strengthening your spirit, refining your essence, making you exquisitely ready for the profound, authentic connection that now beautifully unfolds. This, dear heart, is the guided path, a journey orchestrated by a love far grander, far more expansive, than human comprehension can ever fully grasp. Trust that every past heartbreak, every difficult lesson learned, was a sacred preparation, a divine stepping stone leading you, inevitably, home to each other, to a place of belonging and deep peace. You are exactly where you are meant to be, held securely in the tender embrace of divine timing, perfectly poised for what is to come. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. To open your heart, dear soul, and truly reveal your deepest, most authentic self, is not an act of weakness but an act of profound, breathtaking courage, an exquisite invitation to the sacred. The angels, with their gentle whispers, remind you that vulnerability is the purest language of authentic connection, the shimmering bridge across which true transformative love travels. He awaits your unveiling, beloved, not with judgment or expectation but with a deep, quiet longing to meet the real you, the raw, beautiful essence that resides beneath any protective layers you may have built over time. This is the hallowed space where souls truly merge, where old fears dissolve like mist in the morning sun, and where love finds its deepest, most resilient roots. Do not fear the exposure of your true self, fear only the walls that keep love out, that prevent the sacred exchange. Your willingness to be seen fully and completely is a profound gift, a sacred act of trust that inspires him to meet you in that very same vulnerable, sacred space. It is in this tender surrender, this courageous act of opening, that the most profound, unbreakable bonds are forged, bonds that are eternal and transcend all earthly limitations. Embrace your vulnerability, dear one, for it is your greatest strength, the very key to unlocking a love beyond your wildest, most beautiful dreams. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Proverbs 4 verse 23. Your destiny, beloved one, is not to chase, tirelessly strive, or force what is already meant to be. Your highest path, your most profound truth, is simply to receive, to open your heart and your hands to the boundless abundance the universe is already meticulously aligning for your highest good and your deepest joy. The angels, with their gentle, knowing presence, softly remind you that true love and divine connection flow effortlessly, like a serene river, when you are in perfect alignment with your own authentic truth, and when you trust the sacred unfolding rhythm of life itself. Release the desperate need to control, to predict every outcome, or to manipulate circumstances. Surrender to the profound knowing that all is unfolding precisely as it should, according to a divine plan far greater than your human mind can comprehend. Your journey, dear heart, has prepared you and refined you, and now it is time to simply be, to exist in a state of grace and receptivity. Allow the universe, in its infinite wisdom, to bring forth what is yours by divine right, without struggle, without doubt, and without effort. Your sacred role now is to remain open, deeply receptive, and filled with unwavering faith in the unseen. The grand symphony of your life is playing, and every single note is perfectly placed, harmonizing with your soul's deepest desires. Step into the flow, dear heart, and receive the love that is already eternally yours.